guys, welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to talk about another Adidas silhouette. Now Adidas has brought out some interesting silhouettes, and some of them have been good, a hit, and some of them have been a miss. For example, the Average shoe, I think that's a hit. That's got tons of colorways, it's nice and simple design and looks really good. Now what is a miss is the Stella McCartney sports shoe. Now that's a very interesting shoe. I can't picture myself wearing such a thing. Don't know about you, you let me know what you think, but boy, this trainer is wild. Today we're going to be talking about the Adidas Nucombe. This is the Adidas Nucombe in all white with a sail colored midsole. Now it's a clean silhouette as far as I'm concerned. It is very simple, not too much to it, but it looks quality. It does look very top notch. When you take this sneaker out the box, you have a strong whiff of that new trainer smell, and you know what, it's very nice. I'm not kinky or anything, but it is very nice to have that such. So this is the Adidas Nucombe, and it's a new silhouette. It's a original. So what original is, if you don't know, it's taken from the old and making it futuristic. So it's almost reimagining. Looking at this sneaker, I think it's taken from the Adidas Stan Smiths. It's definitely got the same look, the same elongated front part of the sneaker, and the same kind of simple design. The only thing that you don't have is the dotted lines as the Adidas stripes, and you don't have the front part, the front toe box. But I think it's also nicked from the Bad Bunny design. The latest Bad Bunny Campus Light have just come out, and if you look at the midsole is similar to this midsole. The only difference is the front part, the toe box, where it overlaps. Up top, or material wise, you have leather, and the leather is really nice. It is really nice to touch. It is quite soft with the rub on it. This is quite solid. The rub is quite thick, but the rest of the leather is really nice. Leather on the tongue and leather lining, which is really good. Inside you got mesh material that goes towards the inner part. The insole is leather and everything else is leather, so really nice. Two details that I love on this sneaker. One is the jagged edge around the eyelets, and then you have the trefoil tag, which is also off the eyelet, and that trefoil tag adds that little designer touch. I always love talking about designer because I do like designers and these slight little details that make trainers. It's not all about being obvious, sometimes being too garish. It's a bit crazy. If you know, not all the time you want to do that, and sometimes you don't have the outfits to wear all these garish type sneakers. This has nice little touches to it, which I think is simple but not too simple. Midsole, as I said, it has a sail look, so it's not fully white. So I don't know if it can pick it up, but you can see the top is brilliant white almost, but the midsole is got this sail type colorway, and you can see the midsole is quite thick. It is rubber, it's pure rubber. I would have thought the rubber would have been quite solid, but it does feel very comfortable on foot, very comfortable. And I would have thought because of the narrow type look, you would have struggled if you got a wide foot, but actually it's quite spacious inside. I've bought it true to size and I don't have no problem with it. It seems wide enough and comfortable enough, so therefore I don't think you need to size up. These sneakers are £90 and I think for £90 the quality is really good. I'm not saying it's off the chart. There's a few quality control issues with glue on around the midsole, but apart from that, it's quite cool. Something that is a bit annoying, I will show you, is on one of the sneakers, not on the right sneaker, so you can see that that's fine, but on the left sneaker you got a little dimple. I don't know if you can if that captures right, but you got a little dimple. So you got this little dimple here, and that is annoying. That is probably because the rubber's deformed in that way, but when you put your foot in, it's not that prominent, it's not that bad. I do love this sneaker, and one of the reasons why I love this sneaker is because it follows the KISS model, keep it stupid simple. Adidas didn't add too much and didn't take too much away. The midsole is a lot, but because the rest of the train is simple, I think it's really nice. And the beautiful thing about this sneaker is you can wear it with outfits that are dressed down or dressed up, like the Stan Smith. So you can wear it with the nice smart trousers, or you can wear it with the casual jeans or the tracksuit. Me personally, I'll be doing smart casual with these sneakers because they're very nice. I think it will go with quite a lot of stuff. So it's up to you where your mind will take it, but this is a very versatile sneaker. I'm going to leave it there. Guys, I'm near the 1,000 subscriber mark. If you want to support me, if you like what I'm doing, if you're still here watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I'm interactive, and like that, I'm gone. Take care until the next video.